Hey friends, I want to show you a new addition to my office setup. I've got an old piano here with my MacBook and then an external monitor. And I sit and I edit here for long periods of time. Now this is my normal office chair. It's a really decently comfortable chair, not too bad. But what I added is this lumbar support and seat cushion made by Fortem. And this is exactly what I needed. Out of the box, it's super easy to install. You can see this bottom pad just lays flat on the chair that you're sitting on, offers an enormous amount of cushion. Look at that. Good, solid for your backside. Really helps soften things up, makes it really comfortable while you're working. And this was the extra piece that I really needed, which was some lumbar support, just to keep my spine really nice and in line, keep me sitting upright and in a good posture, and again, keeping me comfortable. You can see just how thick that cushion is. Now the lumbar support is really easy to install. You can see there's just two straps that go around the upper portion of the seat that you're using the most. And then again, it's highly adjustable. You can make it super tight or you can keep it loose like this. And that way when I sit down, I can just fully adjust it into my back. So a super cool product, my friends. Again, what we're doing is making sure our work environment is as comfortable as possible. Definitely go check this out. We'll put links in the description box below if you'd like to find this on Amazon. Definitely a thumbs up from us. If this video has helped, stay tuned because we make a ton of these little review videos to make your shopping experience just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.